Welcome to the Elemental Energy Infusion, a powerful tantric meditation to awaken your body, mind, and spirit by harmonizing with the 5 elements of nature. In Tantra, the elements earth, water, fire, air, and ether are not just forces outside of us, but also energies within us. By aligning with these elements, we restore balance, vitality, and deep presence. Find a comfortable seated or standing position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Let's begin our journey through the elements. We begin with Earth, the foundation of all things. Feel the solidity beneath you, the ground holding and supporting you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine roots extending from your body into the earth. With every breath, these roots grow deeper, stronger, steadier. Earth energy is stability, safety, presence. Feel its weight, its stillness, its quiet strength anchoring you in this moment. If you wish, gently tap your feet or press your hands to the ground, connecting physically with Earth. With gratitude, whisper softly, "I am grounded. I am strong. I am safe." Now, we invite water, the essence of flow, emotion, and sensuality. Imagine a cool wave of energy washing over your body, cleansing and softening you. Water teaches us to be fluid, receptive, adaptable. Begin to sway gently, letting your body move like water. Feel your energy flowing, like a river, like an ocean tide. If you wish, softly whisper, "I surrender to the flow. I am fluid. I trust." Let go of tension. Let go of control. And simply flow. Now, we ignite fire, the spark of passion, power, and transformation. Place your hands over your solar plexus, the center of your inner fire. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, visualize a golden flame growing within you. This flame is your desire, creativity, courage. With every breath, feel this fire expanding, radiating heat and vitality. If you wish, gently shake your hands or body, releasing old energy, fueling your inner fire. Whisper to yourself, "I am powerful. I am passionate. I am alive." Feel your radiance, your warmth, your unstoppable energy. Now, feel the presence of air, the breath of life, the energy of expansion and freedom. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. With every inhale, feel your chest open wider, your spirit lift higher. Air is the element of movement, thought, inspiration. If you feel called, stretch your arms wide, reaching into space. Imagine lightness, ease, clarity. Whisper softly, I am free. I am limitless. I am open. Breathe in possibility. Breathe out everything that holds you back. Now, we enter ether, the space of stillness, expansion, and divine connection. Ether is the infinite, the unseen, the energy that flows through all things. Imagine yourself floating in an endless sky, weightless, boundless. Feel your body dissolve into pure energy, pure presence. There is nothing to do, nothing to become, just pure awareness, pure being. Whisper softly, I am limitless. I am connected. I am divine. Rest in this vast openness. Breathing, sensing, expanding. Slowly, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your breath, your heartbeat, the earth beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, place your hands in prayer at your heart. Take a deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. Thank yourself for this elemental energy infusion. You are grounded like earth. You are fluid like water. You are radiant like fire. You are free like air. You are infinite like ether. Carry this balance into your life. If this meditation resonated with you, subscribe for more Tantric awakenings. May you always be in harmony with the elements. Namaste.